Hey, I greet you from wherever you are tuning in. This is a tutorial that is trending right now. These are Marley braids. Yesterday I uploaded a video about Marley braids, but I used a different technique when braiding it. Today, this is another technique that could really be easy for you in case you don't use it to using a crochet hook. This is what you can do. You can just braid starting from the roots. You start braiding from the box, and you combine your braids with the hair starting right away. It's not like the way we did yesterday, where we started with the boxes, then got our crochet and crocheted the hair into the braids into the hair to start twisting them. This is a different form or a different way that we're gonna do it, and we've already started, and this could really save you time, especially if you don't have any other people to help you around. You can just do this if you're alone. The other one favors you when you have more people like helping you around. You can specialize. One can do the boxes, another one crochets in the braids, and then another one can be twisting the strands. This one here, you can do it alone. You start right away with the braids, with your Marley braids. You start braiding from the roots of the hair after cutting your boxes, and when you braid a few inches, you start with your threes, a few inches, then you get a thin layer of the hair or of the braid and you tie. I think you can see what I'm doing here. Immediately after tying, then you start twisting this hair, because this is a double strand tutorial. It's a twist, it's a Marley braids twist hairstyle. Then you start twisting it. You've seen this before. I've posted videos about this kind of tutorial. Now this is like a bonus video about Marley braids tutorial using this technique. This is how you go on twisting our braids till we reach down here where we just roll it so that you can get that ending. You can see, then you get your foam, you apply it to straighten your strands, and here our client is done. I really salute you. Thank you for loving your crown UG. If it's your very first time, please make sure you subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell for other new uploads. I am your boy JK, as usual, a professional hairstylist and a hairdresser from Hair Crown UG. I love you. See you tomorrow in another video.